Hi, it's Cindy with Body Fit Physical Therapy, and for the golfers out there or anybody who does a rotatory sport, here's some quick things that you can do to help with your trunk mobility or trunk rotation, your upper body rotation. Always, I try to have everybody roll first, so you get a foam roll, and you would just do some movement patterns back and forth, going just mid-back to upper back, doing that a few minutes. Then drop your bottom and go into some extensions, and trying to change where you are periodically, doing 10 or so at one segment and then changing it up. Then going into your rotations, you can go into an all fours and hand behind the head and then reach up, going down, elbow kind of crosses behind the other opposite elbow, or you can do the thread the needle route here and then reaching up. And then another one that I like to do is if you're sitting in a chair, nice and tall, good position here, arms are up, rotate as far as you can, side bend, return, and then see if you can rotate more, side bend again, return, and then see if you can rotate more. Doing 4 or 5 of those to each side, nice and easy, nice and slow, taking some deep breaths when you go to do that, and again, then you would go to the other side, side bend, return, and then rotate more. So these are some good ways to improve your trunk rotation.